window tinting, and that's to protect the inside. Window tint blocks out all the ultraviolet rays, so that's going to make the interior stay brand new. No fading, discoloration, and UV rays are what burns your skin, so driving's going to be much more comfortable with window tint. We don't have to go dark. We have a variety of colors with tint. They all block out up to 86% of the heat and 99% of the UV rays. So there's no other better way to keep that interior like new than to tint the windows. And today what we're doing is tinting the sides. We tint the front windshield now in a clear. A lot of great ways to completely encapsulate the interior and without any fading, aging over the many years of you owning the car and the many thousands of miles you're going to put on driving the car. Window tinting is an excellent way to protect the interior. With all these three services, your car will be as new as it possibly can. A brand new looking car, the one you're driving today, 5 years from today. It can be done. It's possible with all the new technologies that we have to offer here at Transhine. At least get one, if not all three. You'll thank me later.